Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Choose 500 grams of firm white fish such as cod, pollock, or haddock and cut into uniform 2-inch pieces. Pat pieces dry, then combine 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon chili powder, and 1/2 teaspoon turmeric to coat. Toss fish gently so each piece is evenly covered, and set the bowl uncovered in the fridge for 15 to 20 minutes to let the acid and spices slightly firm the flesh before battering. Make a spiced batter by whisking 200 grams gram flour with 3/4 cup water to a thick but flowing consistency. Then stir in 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 2 tablespoons rice flour, and 1/2 teaspoon baking soda for lift. Dredge marinated fish pieces in the batter so each piece is fully coated. Heat neutral oil to 180 degrees C, 350 degrees F, in a deep pan. Fry in batches without crowding for 3 to 4 minutes until golden and crisp, then drain on paper. Serve fish pakora hot with lemon wedges and mint coriander chutney to balance oil and spices, and sprinkle a little chaat masala if desired. For leftovers, cool to room temperature, then refrigerate in an airtight container and eat within 24 hours to maintain safety and quality. Do not freeze raw battered fish. To re-crisp, use an air fryer at 180 degrees C for 5 minutes or a preheated oven at 200 degrees C for 8 minutes. Garnish just before serving and enjoy while hot for best texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.